Hi everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Pickup time, pickup time. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado. And it's silver. Beautiful truck. Great driving truck. We're going to go for a little ride. Chrome bumpers are in real good shape. All your lights are working. All your grille has been done and upgraded. Look how clean it is underneath the cabin here. Someone spent their time. Nice upgraded 350 with a 350 trans. This sucker's nicely built. Look how clean. Upgraded headers. Your frame is beautiful all the way throughout. I have a bunch of pictures. Got electric fan in there, duals. Everything's fresh. Got front wheel disc brakes, power steering. Wipers are working. All your glass is good. All your moldings are good. Couple tiny little flaws. American racing wheels. It's the only thing I could find right here. One little spot. Gaps out great. These square bodies are great. Looks like got dual tanks on there. Rear chrome bumpers are all good. Your bed is nicely done. All good. It's got the Holly rubber mat in there. No waves. Paint is straight. Body is straight. This rear passenger quarters all good. Another gas tank. Dual mirrors. Silverado, that's silver. There we go. Nice car. Let's do something real quick. Fire it up real quick. Let's see if it'll fire without me giving it gas. Oh, there we go. Great trucks. Sounds good. Mean. See how she runs. All your gauges are working. It says fuel tanks. It's got the button right on there. Upgraded sound system, CD. 98,564 miles on it. Gas gauge is working. Lights are working. Car does have tilt steering wheel, folks. Oh yeah, she wants to go. She wants to go. Let me just get past this truck. Steering's tight. Yeah, steering's real tight. Brakes seem to be good. I'll check them out in a second. Oh yeah, it scoots. It scoots good. Let's take her out for a little run. Nice. Trans shift's good. No funky noises. Car seems to be done right. It's great. Real good. Let me swing this thing. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 15 minutes away from O'Hare Airport. turning good, no suspension noises. Over 170 cars in our warehouse with service. Let me let this car pass. All our pricing, videos, and pictures and descriptions online. Just go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. You can check them out. Grab a pen, I'll give you some more information. Yes. Good car. Good truck, excuse me. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured, open and enclosed to your front door. If you need quotes, you can give me a call on that. I also have special financing for people with good credit up to 180 months. Love it, love it. You can reach me. My name is Earl at 773-600-0919. 773-600-0919. This way you can ask me any questions, text me, call me, get you into the showroom. This is a super nice 86 truck, folks. No disappointments. This one's a nice one. Like us on Facebook, and then again, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see more of my videos or Tom's. We're on all the time. Thank you for spending some time with me on this. Call me at 773-600-0919, and you all enjoy your day.